Hello and welcome.
Hello.
Ness is not very happy and neither am I.
Nope.
We've just been to a cafe at Abercan and waited 42 minutes for our food. Other people were coming in, getting their food. Went up and complained. Well, we complained. Oh, it's on the way. We're short-staffed. Well, hang on. Other people have had their food. Why are we being left? Anyway, Ness got a refund.
I had enough.
We couldn't wait any longer. We could sit there all blooming day. So, not very happy. So we're going to go off on our motor again in the Black Beast and for a little drive and possibly find somewhere else to eat.
I apologise if my stomach rumbles.
So, see you in a moment.
What's the time now?
What's the time?
It's 10 to 2.
10 to 2 and we arrived here just after 1.
Yeah.
And we haven't eaten. So,
Oh well.
Ness is going to have a look around the shop, but we didn't bother.
I'm not spending my money here now.
No, they've really
They can't have my money anymore.
peed her off. Right, let's go.
Right, let's get out of here.
Yeah.
I should have brought some fruit with me or something to eat in the car.
Right, off we go.
It's all right, I've still got plenty of fat on me. I won't die of starvation.
That rain still keeps coming down.
Right.
There's the place, Abercan. So if you come in here to eat, expect a long wait.
Yeah. It's never been that bad before.
No, we have eaten here before and not had the problems that we've had today. It's always been pretty good.
Hope you're not coming here for lunch. They're coming in.
Yeah.
Oh dear. So we've had a hot drink and we've used the loo.
Yeah, that's it. Keep us going. We're not going to starve. We're not going to die. Oh look, and a bit of blue sky just to cheer us up. Got carried away then as
Yeah, there's got plenty of cameras along here. You've got to
Yes,
be careful.
That's right. Got carried away because I'm in the angry mood.
Right, forget it now.
Yeah, alright, we'll carry on.
Start again.
Yeah.
Oh, I was looking forward to that jacket potato.
Yeah. Good mind. We'll see what else we can find.
Yeah,
The
never
trouble
mind.
is, we don't want to get too late in the day.
Well, the thing is, if we have something now, it's going to have to be the last thing we have, and we'll have something light when we get home.
Well, this is true, yeah.
So
Yeah.
we'll have something decent to eat now. I can hang on.
Yeah.
I'm not starving. Gone past it now. And I did have a very tasty hot chocolate drink, which has filled up a little gap, so that'll keep me going. It's probably more Weight Watchers points than I should have had anyway, so.
Well, yeah, you saved some points. That is
Saved
true.
some points, yeah.
Points saved.
I was going to be so careful this week. We've only got a week before we go away on holiday for a week. suppose I'll have a lot of control over the food I eat that week.
No, it won't be a lot of choices.
No, so Weight Watchers might go out the window next week. For those that are interested, I have lost 2 stone since October, and it is now the beginning of April. So I've not done bad.
No. Done well.
I'll have my holiday and then I'll get back on it again for a little while before the next holiday.
For a month. Yeah, for 1 month and then we're off again. Yeah. So we're running along the north coast of Wales at the moment. We've got the River Dee estuary on our right hand side. And we're heading towards Rill, but we're going to do a little detour before we get there.
Well,
Yeah, we are. Well,
ow!
Rill and Prestatyn is where we're heading. But
Someone's just stabbed me in the back.
wasn't me.
Ouch.
And that sky is getting a little bit brighter. Picking up a bit.
Don't speak too soon.
No. Sunshine and showers is the order of the day.
Yeah. So what's new? Story of our lives.
It seems to be this year and last year.
I dread to think what it's going to be like in Scotland.
Oh my good grief. Well, we could even have snow up there. Well,
Yeah,
that
well,
might be
they've all-
interesting.
They've just had snow.
Yeah. Could have a bit more while we're there. Makes for a bit of interest in videoing.
Football match going on over there. We're on the A548. Caravan park on our left. Not sure where we are exactly, what the name of the town is. It's quite spread out, so
Yeah.
whether it can't still be Mostin, surely.
No, don't think so.
Another caravan park, Treetops Caravan Park on our left.
Looks like they're selling caravan. Oh,
Yeah.
it's a caravan sales pitch, that is.
Aha.
Ah,
I see where we're going now.
you know where we're going.
Talacre.
Take you down to Talacre. Take you down to the beach. The sun's come out especially for it. mostly on the beach down here, but you have to be careful of the tides.
And it has been very wet. The field next to me is sodden. It's like one big puddle. Just going over the railway. Yeah, the fields are very boggy.
Yeah, they won't improve with all this weather carries on. I was talking to a farmer the other day, he's really peed off at the moment. Can't get on his land. It's too wet to go on with the tractors, just bogs down. And he won't be on his own.
No. So get ready for food prices to go up because they can't grow it.
This is what they're saying. Yeah, food prices will have to go up.
Talacre Beach Resort. Lots of caravans for sale here. You've got Lions Point of Air Holiday Park. Who are boasting that their site fees are less than Talacre Beach Resort.
Bit of competition going on there. There's a little bit of a squeeze down here as well. Especially with the Black Beast, and you get a van or two.
Big vans.
Very popular seaside resort.
Good place for families.
Let this man come through. Give way to other vehicles come in, so we'll do that. Amusement arcade on our right hand side. All your beach gear on your left. Cash and carry. And that was a clever thing to do. Fish and chips. We've had fish and chips from there.
Yeah. Yeah, I remember sitting there and having fish and chips.
They weren't bad.
No. Spent most of my time watching the seagulls
Yeah.
because they were poised.
No parking today up on the beach.
No, it's a bit too wet probably.
Yeah. So we can't go any further. We've got to turn around now because we can't go any further. So there we go. I was hoping to go onto the beach to park, but obviously
No.
not letting us at the moment. So that's where you can normally park. An ice cream shop.
Very, very much aimed at the holiday maker.
Absolutely, yes. Yeah.
If you're bringing your kids here, they'd love it. There's lots here. Lots of bars, restaurants, but it's only one strip.
Yes.
That's it. This is it. This is Talacre.
Parking is a little bit difficult, especially with the beach being closed off. There's not much space for parking.
The thing is, most people are at the caravans and
Yes.
what have you, the little chalets. There's lots of little chalets and holiday homes along here where people tend to stay, and of course they'll be parked there. once you're here, you tend to stay here and
walk up to the beach.
walk up to the beach. I have to admit, it's not my type of holiday, but then again, it might have been when I was younger. When I was younger and the kids were young, yes, I probably would have done it.
But now it's,
I like things a bit quieter now.
yeah, it's not my sort of place either.
Well, let's face it, I used to go to Butlins, I used to, you know.
Well, I used to go to did a lot of Haven holidays over the years when the kids were young.
They're perfect for kids.
Yeah, they had some great times at Haven with the kids, so not knocking these sort of places.
Oh,
they're
no.
all right. When
No,
you've got
they're
kids, they're perfect.
highly needed, especially now when people haven't got the money to go abroad.
That's right.
But once you get to our age, I think it's a quieter
Yes.
holiday that you want. You don't want to go partying and
No.
drinking all the time, and want something a little bit more sedate.
That's it.
So we like to cruise,
Yes.
and we like to go to Cyprus.
That's right. A very specific hotel in Cyprus.
Yes.
Right.
That was Talacre.
And we're going to head back to the main road and head down towards Prestatyn and Rhyl. So we'll say cheerio for now.
Thanks for watching.
If you like what you see, click the like
And subscribe.
and
Subscribe.
yeah.
It doesn't cost you anything to like or subscribe. We won't bombard you with emails and things like that.
No.
The only time you'll get a notification is if you ding on the bell. Tick the bell and you'll get notified when we put another video on. Bye for now.
Bye. Hi.